of being able to add a variable to cabinets in 3D. First of all, you're going to need to go to the admin designer. The admin designer will have different features. It's essentially a setup designer, whereas the other one is the live instance, what customers will see. So I went to that instance, I just drug a no shelf in here. When you click on it, you're going to see this little icon to edit. Click on edit. So say we wanted to create a variable that would move something, or say a top scribe, a left scribe, right scribe, any level of variables. What you would do is you would click on edit script, click on root, and variables. So say we got a variable name, we'll call it TSI, whatever that stands for, top standard indicator, any level of some sort of variable. Now what you would do is, in order to reference, you would give it the values. So say the options for that variable are 0, 2, and 4. And then you would go back, and then you're going to reference, say you wanted to put it on the left side. So that variable applies to the left side, and it affects how far off that it sets from the bottom. You're going to put hashtag TSI. And that will now look to that variable for its answer. Then that variable, when you select on the cabinet, you hit save. And once you've saved that cabinet, that variable, when you select on it, will then be available on the left-hand side. It will say whatever was in the display name along with the option drop-down. So that's how you add a variable, and you can add it to any level of these formulas. So all of these variables are allowed to use that variable now as being able to move things or change things.